pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name Mike. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard. Whether it's the beat of the mic, he feels so unlike everybody else alone, in spite of the fact that some people